So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to create business card. Yes, business card. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we create content on various types of skills. We talk about making money online. We teach tips and tricks. If that sounds interesting to you and you could like to benefit from the value we share here, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So before you can create or design your business card, you will need to download an app. So all you need to do is to go to Play Store and then you search for business card maker. Business card maker. You search for it, you will see so many applications. Yes, you'll see similar ones, and all these similar ones perform similar function. So this is the one I downloaded. This is the one I'm going to use. Yes, so you just click on it and then you download. So for me, I have downloaded already, so I'm just going to launch my business card. So you launch the app. When you click on the app, this is the first interface you are going to see. So it's loading. This is the first interface you are going to see. So we have create, we have downloads, we have saved, we have profile, share, rate. So our focus is going to be on create. So you are going to create a new business card. So you click on create. When you click on create, this is the interface you are going to see when you click on create. Yes, so what you are seeing are templates. Yes, we have so many templates. We have so many templates and nice ones. So the first one we have is you can click on create to start creating the business card from scratch. Yes, but this is not for beginners. This is for advanced persons who have already know how to use the app. So when you are creating new, you will have to put your name, you will have to enter your logo, everything from scratch. Yes, but our main focus on this video is to choose any of these templates, and then all we will do is to edit the template. Yes, so we have so many templates and nice templates, but what you need to note is that some of these templates has pro on it. So you can see pro, you can see another pro. So all the templates with pro, if you want to use it, you will have to pay. Yes, you will have to buy. You will have to buy that template. So those without pro, we are going to choose any of that one, and then we see how we can edit the template. So you can choose any one you want. We have nice ones, different templates. Yeah, so as you can see, so I'm going to choose a template and then we see how we can work on it. So I'll click on this. So we have a business card. So all you need to do is to edit the names, the logo, the tagline, the websites, and then the number, and then the location. So you just first click on the name. So you click on the name, and then when you click on it, you will see edit. You see edit here. We will have colors here, we have size, we have font style, and then rotate. So we are going to be playing with this we are going to be playing with all this. So when you click on the name, you click on edit, So here you enter your name. You enter your name. So after entering your name, you click on apply. So you click on apply, then the next one to Chief Executive Officer. So you can change. So you click on edit text. When you click on edit text, so I'm going to do founder. So then you click on apply. So here we have the logo. So if you have a logo, you can edit the logo. So you just tap on it. When you tap on it, you search for the delete button. So you click on the delete. When you delete it, then you now search for images. So we have our images here. You click on it. When you immediately click on it, it will direct you to your gallery for you to search for your logo and then insert it on your business card. So I go to my gallery, then I search for the logo I want to use. So this is the logo I want to use. Yeah, so if you want to crop it, you can crop it. If you don't also want to crop it, you can leave it that way. Yes, so I click on OK. So now I'm now going to make it small and then position it very well on the business card. Yes, so you can see you can tap and drag it to make it smaller. Then you can position it very well on your business card. So then after you are done, you click on the name of the business. So you edit that one too. So you click on the business name, then you click on edit text. So you delete this and then you enter your business name. So my business name is Money Literate Academy. So after you are done, you click on apply. Yes, so as I told you earlier, you can navigate through all this. You can change the color, you can change the size, you can change the font style, you can rotate it to anyhow you want. Yeah, so you can play with all this. You can play with this. Yes, the opacity, if you want to so let's click on the opacity to see. If you want to increase the opacity, if you want to reduce it, if you want to add stroke to the writing, you click on the stroke to increase or decrease. So you can see if you want to add color, good. Anything you want to do, just play with that. Yeah, so you can change the color. So we have color. So you can change the color to any color that will suit your design. So you can see. Then the tagline, you click on the tagline and then you edit. So let's see. Financial teacher or money literacy. So anyway, then you click on apply. So now all you need to do is to edit the phone number, your email, and then your website if you have a website. So click on the phone number. As usual, you click on edit. Then you edit your phone number. then you click on apply, then your email address, you click on the email address, then edit your website first. So www.moneyliterate.com. Yeah, that is if you have a website, then you apply. Then we move to the email address, edit text. So we have my email address, teacherhunger55@gmail.com. then you apply. So now you go to your location, and then you edit the location as well. So edit as usual, edit text, then so apply your location. So we are still on the location, edit text. So Ghana, and then my house number, so I think we are done. So after you are done, the business card has front and back. Yeah, so this is the back side of the business card. So you can click here, then it will send you to the front side of the business card. So here you can as well edit the front side of the business card. So you change the name, click on it, you click on edit text. So you write the name of your business, then you apply, then the tagline as well, edit, financial teacher, so apply. Then the logo, you can change the logo as well on the front side of your business card. So you click on delete, then you click on images, to take you to your gallery. Then you enter, you search for your logo, and then okay, then you position it very well. So after you are done, all you need to do is to save your work. So we have a save button here, and then a download button here. So you can either save or you download. So I'm going to download. So we have the front side and then the back side. So you can choose to download all. You can download the front side and download the back side as well. So click on front side, download completed, then I'll download the back side as well. So after you are done, you can check in your gallery, view downloads. You can check in your gallery to see what you have done. So let me go to my gallery. So we have our business card. So this is what we did. Very nice. This is what you did. So you can do more. So you can design or edit something which is better than this or nicer than this. You can change the font size, you can change the colors, you can make it very nice. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us how you feel about this video, and also don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here.